Bunusu mu yoki bunusu mu? Bunusi menga yoqdi. Bunisi menga yoqmadi. Assalomu alaykum. Yaxshimisizlar? Yaxshi yuribsizlarmi? Charchamayapsizlarmi? Welcome to a new class. And as you saw, I was saying I like this one and I don't like this one. So in this video, we will learn how to say I like and I don't like. Tayyormisiz? Boshladik. In Uzbek, we have two verbs that help us to say I like and I don't like. Today we'll learn both of them, and also we'll look at the past simple and negative versions of these verbs. Verb number one is yoqmoq, to like. Also, yoqmoq can mean to turn on. For example, turn on the lights. Chiroqni yoqing, or chiroqni yoq, which means chiroq is lights, yoq is turn on. And today we won't be looking at that meaning of this verb, but we will look at how to say I like and I don't like. And to say I like, we should say menga yoqadi. And it would sound like I like it. But we could add some word here. Menga la 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 yoqadi. Something something. Menga something something yoqmaydi. I don't like something. For example, menga shokolad yoqadi. Menga kabob yoqadi, which is shashlik. I like shashlik. Menga shashlik yoqadi, menga kabob yoqadi. Menga osh yoqadi. Osh. And pay attention to this ah sound, right? And if you learn present future tense, all verbs that come in present simple, which means like general things we do in general or in future, they come in this version. Menga suyuq ovqatlar yoqadi. I like soups. Suyuq means like liquid food, but in English we don't have such concept. So first course and like soups are called suyuq ovqatlar. Menga suyuq ovqatlar yoqadi. We looked at how to say I like. Now let's look at how to say I don't like. Menga somsa yoqmaydi. Menga somsa yoqmaydi. In dialect, it would sound like manga somsa yoqmaydi. Tashkent dialect. Menga somsa yoqmaydi. Menga achchiq taomlar yoqmaydi. Achchiq means spicy. Menga achchiq taomlar yoqmaydi. Menga fast food yoqmaydi. Fast food yoqmaydi. And now think of things or food you like and you don't like. You can press pause and try saying as I just taught you, and use the same construction to say I like this, I don't like this. And for now, don't think of the translation of the food. Just use it as it is in your language. For example, pizza or sandwich or steak, whatever it is, do not concentrate on translating it. Just use it as it is, even if there is a translation in Uzbek. Sometimes there is not. But many international concepts like sandwich, pasta, pizza, they're the same in Uzbek, right? So do it now, and then we'll continue. How to say I like doing something and I don't like doing something. For that, we need to look at more verbs, and I took running and swimming. Running, yugurmoq, swimming, verbs. And I taught you in my previous videos too that in order to do something with the verb, we take it as it is, and this is how it's written in a dictionary. But this moq part, we don't need it. It's like to do something, like to do, to write, to speak, right? Get rid of moq, and you are left with a command. Do it, run, swim, right? Okay, and if we want to say I like to do this, or I like doing this, then all we have to do is add ish. Like ish by itself means work. but as suffix, it means like to do something. Yes, mok also has that function, but mok is just for infinitive, and we usually don't use it in sentences. There are exceptions, yes, but in regular daily speech, usually we talk through ish. Yugurish, suzish, menga lala ish yoqadi. Menga yugurish yoqadi. Menga suzish yoqadi. Menga kino ko'rish yoqadi. Menga kitob o'qish yoqadi. Now think of things you like doing. Think of verbs. You can press pause, Google the translation, look at the dictionary, and use this construction. I don't know, maybe you like singing. Maybe you like sleeping. Think of 5 different verbs, what you like doing, and write them in our comments. Like position with mine. How to say it in negation? Menga ishga borish yoqmaydi. I don't like going to work. Like, I don't like working. Menga, pay attention to ga. Ishga borish, ishga means to, in direction to somewhere. Borish yoqmaydi. Menga ovqat qilish yoqmaydi. Ovqat is food, qilmoq is doing. Ovqat qilish is like cooking. Menga ovqat qilish yoqmaydi. I don't like cooking. It's not about me, although I do not cook a lot. And we are transitioning to say in the past the same concept. Actually, they're not particularly the same. Yoqadi is something that we can say that is in general, and yoqdi something just once. You liked it and it was in the past. For example, I liked movie. I liked this food. Doesn't mean you will like it all of your life. Or menga yoqmaydi, menga yoqmadi. And again, this is a reminder about present future tense. There's a video in our playlist. If you haven't watched that, please do, because it shows how verb changes in present tense and also in past. This one is past. And pay attention, in present we have a, and here my. In past, no a and no y. It's just ma. Those are the indicators. Okay, I would like to show you some examples of the past tense. Menga kino yoqdi. I like the movie. Menga lag'mon, noodles, lag'mon. I liked lag'mon. Menga lag'mon yoqdi. Menga football o'yini yoqdi. O'yin is game. I liked football game. I liked the football match. Or I didn't like. Yoqmadi. I didn't like it. So let's see how the verb changes from the first person to another. Like if I'm saying, I have been showing you the examples when I was talking about myself. How about if we're talking about other people? Menga yoqadi, if we're talking about present tense. Senga yoqadi, unga yoqadi, sizga yoqadi, bizga yoqadi, sizga yoqadi, ularga yoqadi. Yoqadi doesn't change. Because we're talking about something in third person. But when it's past, it's the same, like with pronouns it's the same. Yoqdi. The verb doesn't change. And I like doing something. Menga ish yoqadi. And now let's look at the second version. What's the second version like? So in the first version, we had menga yoqadi, menga lala ish yoqadi. Then in the second, men, no menga, la ne yoqtiraman. And this verb sounds like, all verbs we learn. For example, when we learn to say I live in Tashkent, men Toshkentda yashayman. Sen Toshkentda yashaysan. So here it's the same. Men lalalani yoqtiraman. Sen lalalani yoqtirasan. U lalalani yoqtiradi. So there's no menga. There's no to me. There's men lalalani. I like this thing. And with I, it's just pronoun that has no suffix. But the object of your sentence, of your emotions, has n. For example, men mushugim, mushuk is cat. Mushugim is my cat. Men mushugimni yoqtiraman. I like my cat. Men yugurishni yoqtiraman. Men yugurishni yoqtiraman. Or if I don't like it, men yugurishni yoqtirmayman. Men yugurishni yoqtirmayman. Yoqtirmayman. And let's look at the first version and second version and compare. Menga yugurish yoqadi. Men yugurishni yoqtiraman. You see, so ga here, no ga. Yugurish is just by itself. Yugurishni. Here is yoqadi, yoqtiraman. Menga suzish yoqadi. Men suzishni yoqtiraman. Menga osh yoqadi. Men oshni yoqtiraman. And a new thing, qo'shni is neighbor. And I was thinking how to say I don't like something or I don't like someone. Menga qo'shnimiz yoqmaydi. I don't like our neighbor. Men qo'shnimizni yoqtirmayman. So either way is correct. But obviously, this version, the first version, is shorter. And the verb does not change when we are talking about different people. So it's more popular. And it's up to you which version you would like to use. But right now, I would like to ask you to leave in the comments 5 I like and 5 I don't like versions of your personality and of either verb you choose. And I will read each of them and comment them. I actually really love reading your comments below. I screen them. Sometimes I post them on my Telegram channel. And by the way, in my Telegram channel, welcome to join and learn more materials. There's more Russian comments in them because lots of Russian subscribers, but few English speakers are also my subscribers on Telegram channel and like looking at the songs, videos we post on them. Thank you for this lesson. Keyingi darsda ko'rishguncha, xayr, sog' bo'linglar.